Welcome to our HC3S and Tilda cook-along. We're going to learn how to cook veg and rice so you can eat them to defeat them!
Hi kids, my name is Harv.
My name's Luke and we're from Tilda.
And today we shall be cooking a vegetable of the week.
Kids, can you guess the vegetable?
We can't hear you! Say it louder! Yes, you are right, it is a tomato! Not any tomato, but a spine-tingling tomato. I wonder what we can cook with tomatoes. I know, a spine-tingling tomato and spinach pilaf. Let's get started. Pour 1 cup of Tilda brown and white rice. Pour 2 cups of water. Put the lid on and cook for 25 minutes. Time to prep the ingredients while the rice cooks. When I say bring it on, you say tomatoes. Bring it on. Bring it on. Okay kids, here are the ingredients. In order to prep them, I'm going to shout out, bring it on, and you say tomato. Bring it on. Great job kids. Now let's get cooking. Heat the oil in a pan and add in the onions. Add in the spinach. Add in the garlic and ginger. Now stir, stir, stir. "25 minutes later, time to check the rice. Wow, looks amazing. Kids, are you ready to eat them to defeat them? Bring it on! Add in the smoked paprika. Add the Tilda brown and white rice. Pour in the stock. Now stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. While it cooks, let's find out some fun facts about spine-tingling tomatoes and rice. There are 10,000 varieties of tomatoes. Tomatoes are not always red. Over 1 billion people in the world eat rice. All white rice starts as brown rice. Shall we see if it's ready? Shout, bring it on, tomatoes! Bring it on. Now we have cooked a spine-tingling tomato and spinach pilaf. Thank you for joining in. Are you ready to